Hi everyone, I am Dr. K. Rani, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, Dr. S.N.S. Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. My subject name is Corporate Accounting and Regulation. My topic name is Classification of Company. Company meaning, a company is one of the most important and form of business organization. It can be described as a voluntary association of individuals having a common purpose who agree to pool their funds and unit of achieve the set goals. Characteristics of company. First one, corporate body. A company is a corporate body in the sense that it need to be registered under the Company Act 2013 in order to be recognized as a company. Otherwise, it is just an unlawful associated of people. Separate legal entity. A company is a artificial person whose existence is totally form that of its shareholder and members. This means that the contract entered into by a company shall in no way bind the members or the shareholders, etc. Limited liabilities. Since the existence of a company is from that of its member, it is means that the shareholder and members cannot be personally held responsible to pay the debit of the company. Transferability of share. The shares of a public company can be transferred freely among shareholders following the rules and regulations mentioned in the article of association. Common seals. All the agreement made on the behalf of the company are signed using the common seal of the company. A common seal is a seal of the approval of the company and is unique for each such corporate body. Management and control. The unlimited authorities and control of the company remain in the hands of the shareholder who are large in number and moreover scattered all over the world, which make it almost impossible from them to be present at the annual general meeting of the company. Types of the company. Public company. According to the Company Act 2013, a public company is one that invited the general public to subscribe to its shares capital to raise fund. Application or invite through the issue of prospectus and shares or allotment is made subsequently. The minimum number of the members required to incorporate a public company is 7 and there is no limit on the maximum number of the companies. It has a minimum paid up capital of 5 lakh. Any private company which is the subsidiary of the public company is also public company. Private company. Control of the public company. A private company is one of that does not offer its security to the general public for subscription through stock exchange. Rather, such trading is done either privately over the counter. Such companies might also restrict the right of their members. When it comes transferring share, a private company can also transaction to a public company subsequently at a point time in its lifetime. The maximum number of the company, private company, is 2 to the maximum of the 200. It has minimum paid capital 1 lakh. Such company does not invite the general public to subscribe to its deposit. One person company. As the name suggests, such a company only has one person as its member. In other words, a one person company has only one shareholder as it is members. Such companies are set up by entrepreneurs in the early stage of their business in order to avoid the various sole partnership. A Company Act 2013 defined private company with a single members. The company, the feature of prospectus suggestion as a opposite to a joint stock company as the death or insolvency of the sole members would leave this decision up to their nominee. whether they want to continue the business or not. There is a no amount of minimum paid up capital prescribed by the corporate company. The corporate must have one person as it is direct. The maximum number of directors can be 15 at one point of time. Thank you.